Hi guys, in front of me is Vivo X80 Pro, and let me show you how to reset all the settings here. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System and click on Reset Options. Now select Reset All Settings, and if you truly want to do it, just tap on Reset All Settings. Then provide your screen lock password and click on Reset Settings again to confirm. And now just patiently wait until it's done. And that's it. Now just enter your PIN, provide your screen lock password, and you can smoothly use your device. So, actually no, like the screen lock password was also reset. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.